This video is going to be about meditation for lucid dreaming. I'm going to keep it short and to the point, so if you like what I do here and want to support the channel, or if you just like to learn more about lucid dreaming and want my complete guide on it, then check out the Lucid Dream book, link in the top right hand corner or down in the description below. Anyway, without further ado, onto the video. So the topic at hand is meditation and its effect on your lucid dreams. I have time and time again emphasized the benefits of meditation for lucid dreaming and how I think every single person that wants to lucid dream should have a meditation habit. But since my first experiences with meditation and lucid dreaming, I've now had many more experiences, and what I've realized is that the quality of your meditation matters a lot. It is not simply enough to sit down to meditate. It's almost enough, but you need to do a couple of little extra things. The first of these is that you have to do it every single day. There's no way out of that. You can't just meditate at the weekends and hope to get more lucid dreams. It's not really going to make a difference. You need to be doing it every single day. And you need to be doing it for a reasonable amount of time as well. I suggest a minimum of 20 minutes once a day, but if you can do more than 20 minutes, that's even better. And if you really have the extra time to spare, then you can potentially do more than one session a day. Now, if you're only going to be doing one session a day, I highly recommend doing that session in the last couple of hours before bed, as this seems to have more of an effect on your dreams. So the point that I'm trying to get to here is that consistency is important. You have to be meditating consistently every day for at least a decent length of time. Now, you don't necessarily have to start off there. If you're struggling to get into a meditation habit, it's okay to start off with only doing a few days a week or only meditating for, 5 or 10 minutes. But the idea is, don't expect it to be affecting your lucid dreams yet at that point. You need to get to a point where you're meditating consistently every day for at least 20 minutes a day before you start to see an impact on your dreams. And you also might need to keep up with this for a little bit of time before you start noticing the benefits. It isn't necessarily going to happen on day one of you doing meditation for 20 minutes a day. I know for me it varies, but it's usually somewhere like a couple of weeks after I've started meditating seriously. And that is the next part that I want to talk about in this video, and that is that you need to meditate seriously and diligently. What I mean by this is you can't just sit down to meditate and then once you find yourself getting distracted, just give in to that distraction and give up on the meditation, which if you meditate for a while, you're probably going to end up doing this sometimes. Like, it's just going to happen because some days you're not really feeling it and you sit down to meditate and you start getting caught up in your thoughts about the day, and it's just like something is on your mind and is bothering you and is driving you nuts, and as much as you try to go back to the meditation, you just keep getting distracted and then you eventually give up. It's going to happen at some point, but you can't make that your norm. Now, being completely free from distraction is not what I expect of you as a beginner meditator. What's expected of you is just that you be diligent about your attempts to bring your attention back to your breath every time you notice that you do get distracted. So you might still end up having all of those thoughts about that thing that's annoying you and bothering you all day, but you start having those thoughts and then you're going to notice, wait, I'm getting distracted here, and you're going to bring your attention back to your breath, and you're going to keep doing that as many times as necessary, and you're going to make this focused effort to keep bringing your attention back to your breath as much as possible. It's this act of developing strong concentration that I think is really, really key to where the carryover is with lucid dreaming. Now, there is something to be said for a more relaxed style of meditation where you aren't forcing your attention to one place. You're kind of just letting your attention wander. But while I can't consider myself to be the end-all and be-all expert at meditation, the consensus that I've found from people that are experts in meditation seems to be that you really do need to develop that level of concentration. So even if you are doing other meditation practices, you should be working on getting to a point where you can be free from distraction during your meditation sessions. Once you arrive at that point, once you can sit there and you can just stay on your breath effortlessly without any sort of distraction, then a whole world of different meditation styles open up to you because you have the concentration needed to overcome the distractions that would detract from your progress. But the consensus seems to be that a lot of the early benefits of meditation that we get come from developing that concentration, come from training our brains to not be so easily distracted. And with lucid dreaming, I think this is where 99% of the benefits are probably coming from, because the fact is, the reason that you're not lucid in all of your dreams right now is because you're distracted by what's going on in the dreams. You're too distracted to ever notice that, hey, this is a dream. So when you train yourself to not get so distracted, to be able to concentrate, then you're allowing yourself to do that in your dreams as well, at which point you can become lucid. So Every time you sit down to meditate, I want you to take it as seriously as you possibly can. And each time you catch yourself getting distracted, bring your attention back to your breath. It is that continued effort to remain concentrated that is going to bring you the benefits with lucid dreaming. Now, that doesn't mean that this has to be the only style of meditation that you do. I do recommend other styles of meditation, things like metta and so on. But your primary focus as a beginner, if you're finding yourself getting very distracted when you sit down to meditate, should be training that, should be getting better and not getting distracted. So I'm going to share an exercise with you, something that you can do to help yourself notice when you're getting distracted. And that is, for the next few times that you meditate, rather than just paying attention to your breath, I want you to count your breaths. But what I want you to do is to do 1 in, 1 out, 1 in, 1 out. And I want you to count them up like that. So you go 1 as you breathe in, 2 out, 3 in, 4 out. And I want you to get up to 10. And then once you've said 10, which will be the out breath, then the next in breath starts at 1 again. And so basically you're looping from 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10, over and over again. Your goal is to see if you can make it through an entire session without ever losing count. That means if you start to get distracted by thoughts or by sounds or by feelings in your body or whatever, you have to be pretty quick about bringing your attention back. Otherwise, you're going to lose count. Now, if you do lose count, it's not the end of the world. You just keep going with the session, but you try not to lose count again. And at the end of the session, see how you did. How many times did you lose count? Now, this is a little bit easier to focus on than just your breath, believe it or not. But it is a little bit easier to see when you've lost count. So it can give you a gauge of how focused you are during your meditation sessions. Now, you can continue to use this as an exercise to try to improve, to try to get better at keeping the count. But once you feel that you can keep the count pretty well, then just try and focus on your breath in the next session without the numbers. So in summary, there are 2 things that you need to make sure are happening with meditation. You need to make sure that you're being consistent, and you need to make sure that you're being diligent or serious about the meditation session. And in particular, what I'm suggesting you be serious about is developing concentration. You can use other practices as well, but if you don't have a good level of concentration, that should be something that you spend a good deal of time working on. I hope you found this video helpful. If you meditate, let me know down in the comments below how long you meditate for each day. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and enable all videos so you can stay up to date when new videos come out. And if you want to keep watching, check out one of the videos on screen. Go watch that and I'll see you there soon. Take care and have some awesome lucid dreams.